Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. So just a little while ago, I heard this huge knocking at my door. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not expecting anybody, but it was like one of those scary knocks where you're just like not too sure if you want to answer or not. I don't know about you, but I'm one of those duck and rolls and peep through the peephole or look out the window when somebody comes to my door when I'm not expecting it. But anyway, it was a pleasant surprise. Guess what I got? I got a package today from my sweet friend, Mrs. V. Oh my gosh, so excited. I don't know what's in here. She hasn't told me anything, so let's open it up together and see what my dear sweet friend Mrs. B sent to us. Okay, here we go. I knew she would overpack, so I thought I would bring up my scissors. And my goodness, girls, let's see. This is where we're at. Good thing I brought my scissors. My goodness, my dear. You went crazy on the tape. Hey, if you guys aren't familiar with Mrs. V, you have to go check her out. Of course, I will have her linked in my description box. And she does this really fun thing that I've just, I don't know, past several weeks have been joining in on, where she, oh, look it. I just saw her do a DIY on this. Look how pretty. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I got my finger smudged all over it. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. I'll show you in just a moment. So anyway, she does Family Feud, and we have a Saturday night game night, and it's so fun to go sit in and watch, and it's just, oh, I just absolutely fun. I've been kind of going through a tough time in my life right now, so it just kind of takes your mind off of everything, and it's just so fun to sit down with your friends and just, you know, play a game and stuff, especially when you're here by yourself and you don't really have a whole lot of life going on. So it's just really, really fun to see. What is this? Family is forever. You're right. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, sweetheart. And there's a little card in here. What is this? Pick a pup. What is this? Sorry, it's all like, she did a really good job. What is this? Pick a pup. Doggy memo tags. Anything puppy related, you know I'm gonna love. Aw, look how cute. Are those not the most adorable? That's too cute. They're like little stickers. Oh, that way. They go this way. Those are so adorable. Love that. And let's see what the card has to say. She has a pretty butterfly on it, or butterflies. Try not to break it. It says, live, laugh, laugh. She said, I have a video on my channel on how I made the perfume wall decor mirror using all Dollar Tree items. I know that, I saw it. She said, hello Angela, I just wanted to share some items with you that I think you would like. My sincere condolences for the loss of your stepfather. I don't get to come by your channel much, but I do think and pray for you often. Just wanted you to know that you are not forgotten. Love, Mrs. V. Mrs. V, thank you so much. Just, yeah, like I said, it's been a difficult time, but you know, we're getting through it. And I have to say, I absolutely love your family feuds, and your game night is just, it really is a stress reliever. And I really appreciate everything that you've done. Thank you very much. Okay, I've regrouped. Just needed to do a little decorating, I guess. So this is where I put everything that Mrs. V sent me, and I just absolutely love it. I mean, honestly, everything that she said just really touched my heart, and really appreciate all the outpouring of love and support from everybody that, you know, that knows what's going on with us. And this just really, like I said, just really touched me. But anyway, here's her mirror that she made. I have a Mrs. V original, and I'm so excited. It's absolutely stunning. It looks good right there. And there's where the little plaque is. It's all marbleized, and it's just beautiful. And of course, my card. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Mrs. V, so much. I really, truly appreciate it. And don't forget to go check out her channel, and yeah, support each other. And again, thank you very much. I really, like, honestly, there are no words.